In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to add money to your Cash App account so you can use it with your cash card at stores, online, or ATMs. First, open Cash App and go to the Money tab at the top. You'll see your balance and the Add Cash button. This method instantly pulls money from your linked debit card. If you are not sure which accounts are connected, tap your profile icon, then link banks to manage them. The second way is through a bank transfer. Use your Cash App routing and account numbers to transfer funds from your bank. Some banks may send small test deposits first before allowing full transfers. The third option is direct deposit from your employer. You can set this up automatically through Cash App or manually by providing those same account numbers to your payroll department. The fourth and newest way is to add paper money tab. Paper money in the app to see nearby stores like Walmart or CVS. Show your barcode to the cashier and hand them cash. It's instant, but there's a $1 fee per deposit. And that's it. 4 simple ways to add money to your Cash App.